To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. If you're a girl and have gotten your period, you know the inconvenience it can cause to you monthly, and it sucks. Periods are never fun. From the food cravings, cramps, bloating, and body aches, to the headaches and pain you might feel, periods are just another form of necessary evil. But rather than stay in bed all day, waiting for the period to go, we want to share with you some hacks that would help you get through this somewhat agonizing time. Get a hot water bottle. During your period, nothing brings your abdomen more comfort than a hot water bottle. They're designed to apply heat to your tummy. This improves the blood flow to your abdomen and prevents cramps. Hot water bottles are as effective as painkillers, as they also block any pain messages that might be sent to the brain. Try it out on your next period and you'll be pleasantly surprised. Drink lots of water. Your period isn't the time to drink soda. Ditch all of that and drink only water. Water is important for your metabolism and also keeps your body clean and fresh, which has a way of easing down any abdominal pain you may experience. It also eliminates any form of bloating or fatigue. Sleep well. Make sure to get enough sleep. If you don't sleep well, you'll end up being cranky, tired, and sad. We also advise that you take short power naps while at work, if you can. This can easily revitalize your body system and replenish your energy levels. If you have difficulty sleeping, try playing some soothing music or sounds to help you fall asleep more easily. Dark chocolate. Unlike white and milk chocolates, the sugar in dark chocolate is low, but it has a whole lot of nutrients that could be beneficial to your health. Dark chocolate also replaces the nutrients lost through menstruation and may even help get rid of mood swings you might be having. So, the next time you're on your period, have some dark chocolate as a snack. Quick laundry. It's probably happened to most girls, getting your undergarments stained while you're on your period. As messy as the blood may look, it can be cleaned up immediately. All you have to do is soak it with cold water and detergent. The blood will wash away in a matter of minutes, and it's better than leaving it lying somewhere in your laundry bag. As much as you might hate your period, we advise that you embrace it wholeheartedly, as it is just another part of being a woman. Even if it isn't your favorite time of the month, you can get through it the right way. We hope these hacks have helped you. Let us know if you've tried any of these tips in the comments down below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.